What if one of the most dangerous weapons in the US-Iran conflict right now isn't a missile, a fighter jet, or a warship? What if it's something much more simpler? A bomb quietly waiting underwater. See, after being attacked by the United States and Israel, Iran has turned to one of the oldest weapons in naval warfare: sea mines. And the battleground is the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most important energy corridors in the entire world. This narrow passage links the Persian Gulf to the open ocean, and nearly 20% of the world's oil supply moves through it. So, when Iran threatens to lay sea mines here, it's not just a military tactic, it's psychological warfare and it's economic warfare. Reports say that Iran has already laid several mines in the strait and warned that hundreds more could follow. In response, the United States says that it has struck and destroyed multiple Iranian vessels suspected of laying those mines. But here's the interesting part: mines are usually planted secretly. Their power lies in surprise. So, why is Iran talking about them openly? Because Tehran isn't just thinking about warships. It's thinking about global shipping companies, insurers, and financial markets, many of them sitting thousands of kilometers away in places like London. Sometimes the biggest impact of a mine isn't just explosion, it's the fear of one. So, what exactly are sea mines? Well, a sea mine, also known as a naval mine, is an underwater explosive designed to damage or sink ships. Some float just below the surface and explode the moment a vessel touches them. Others sit quietly on the seabed and they detonate when they detect a ship's pressure, sound, or magnetic signature. Now, these devices can be deployed in multiple ways. They can be dropped from ships, aircraft, submarines, or even placed by divers. And in narrow waterways like the Strait of Hormuz, even a handful of mines can cause massive disruption. That's because navies use mines as what's called as area denial weapon. So lay enough mines in a shipping lane and suddenly the entire route becomes too dangerous to cross. And removing them is far harder than deploying them. While a mine can be dropped in a minute, clearing it requires specialized vessels called mine sweepers. They're slow, careful operations that can even take days or even weeks. But the biggest impact of a sea mine is often economic. See, a mine costing a few $1,000s can destroy ships worth millions, even billions. And the moment the threat appears, insurance companies they react. Premiums soar, coverage disappears, and without insurance, commercial ships simply refuse to sail. That means oil shipments they slow down, supply chains break, energy prices they spike, which is exactly the pressure Iran may be trying to create. Already, some shipping companies are reducing or pausing traffic through Strait of Hormuz as tensions rise. For a country facing the overwhelming military power of the United States and Israel, sea mines offer a powerful asymmetrical weapon. They are cheap, easy to deploy, incredibly difficult to remove, and capable of shaking the global economy. Because sometimes in modern warfare, the most dangerous weapon isn't the missile that gets launched. It's the explosive that just sits there and makes the entire world too afraid to move.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to Mirror Now.